Hi everybody. Okay, this time we're going to look at circle arms and then go through to hold the ball. Joe will be showing you how to do this. I'll be telling Joe. I'll just say one word about circle arms for anybody who randomly comes across this, because it's not a move you'll find in any other long form. This form comes from Yang Sao Chung. Even the Yang family traditional long form, which the International Association does, doesn't include this. The other thing we're going to look at, and Jill requested this actually, there's some Neigong exercises we did at the very last class we held together, and I sent a couple of you a list of how to do it. We'll show you those because they're a pretty good set, and it's something new. Now, circle arms. Simple enough movement, but then nothing in Tai Chi is what it seems. Okay, so now we've stepped to the side. We've lifted and lowered hands. And the next move is to circle arms. Let's have a look. Let's go back and have a look at how we do that. Up to now we've been single weighted. This is where we begin to move in the form and work on one or the other leg. So as our arms move to the right, we shift into our left leg, and that powers the move. And then as we come up to the middle, come to the center, we shift our weight through the center onto our right leg to go out to the right. Yeah, okay. So come back again. Now let's look a bit more at how this works. When you do the circle, you're doing two circles. You're doing a big circle with one hand and a small circle with the other hand. Something beginners often have trouble with is getting your hands ending up in the right place. So let's look at how to do that. So we make the circle. Now, as we come over, shifting our weight, of course, when you feel that your right hand is in the middle, just drop it straight down, and your thumb should be pointing at your sternum, and the extended hand should be, left hand should be at palm should be at 45 degrees, elbow slightly bent. Yeah, that's it. So do you want to show that again, Joe? Shifting to right, left, and as you do it, do it again, and as you do it, you glance to the right, so look at your right hand. As you come over, then look to the left, look at your left hand and come back to the center. Okay? Now from there, we sit down a little bit, turn our right foot out to 45 degrees, and then turn into our right leg, shift all of our weight into our right leg, and hold the ball. Now again, let's look at how that works. So the first thing you need to do is to turn your left palm away from you. And what you're doing actually is not moving your left arm, you're just dropping it straight down, and as you turn, your movement brings it round, and then you hold the ball. Can you do it again? Now, the thing to make sure of with this is that your elbows are out away from your body, and although we call it hold the ball, your right palm, left palm. So your palms are pointing up and down, although we call it hold the ball. As a defensive position, this means that anybody coming at you, their energy is diverted up and down rather than coming straight at you, and the position is very strong. So now we're going to look at the Neigong exercises. The set that we normally do, that Joe leads, comes on the same route, but these are slightly different, and they're quite good, I think. So we start off with compressing the pearl. So breathe in, lift your arms, bring your hands back down towards your tantien, breathing out. Don't touch. And we'll just do 3 of these. I recommend 10, but let's... Okay. The next exercise will also be familiar, It's lift and lower hands. There's no roll forward, just lift, keep your shoulders down, and just do this. Repeat this 10 times. Shoulders down. One more. Okay. And then picking up the moon. So if you go a little bit wider, bend your knees, keep your back straight though. Pick it up, lift it, put it back in the sky. And again, normally we'd repeat this 10 times. Okay. Next one is opening the chest. This looks like flinging your arms out, but actually your arms hang by your side out a little bit maybe, and you breathe in and work from your sternum, so you're opening your shoulders and opening, and that brings your arms out, and you breathe in and then come back and breathe out, and then breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. And then swimming dragon. Now this is a bit of a strange one, but one palm up, one palm down. Breathe in as you lift and lower your palms, turn them over and breathe out, coming back to the center. And then breathe in as you go up, turn your palms over and breathe out, back to the center. And then breathe in, turn your palms and breathe out. Okay. The next exercise you'll be very familiar with. It's diagonal flying, except we do it in both directions. So, and then turn on your weighted leg and go in the other direction. That's it. And then cow turns head. And this is you're turning on your spine, closing your quad, breathing out as your arms extend, then breathe in, turn on the other side, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And we've rather rushed through these, but if you take it really slowly, you'll feel how powerful they are. And finally, drawing the heavenly bow. So you step out, make sure your body goes square across your feet as you pull back, and observe the extended hand, secret sword hand they call that. and those of you doing sword form should be familiar with it. Okay, right, that concludes today. Next time I want to look at stroking the bird's tail, so we'll look at how to turn, how to step, ward off, which actually is all part of stroking the bird's tail as a movement. Okay.